mga katik-tik. Karon mananaw na po may kinapil na po si Winnie og Binibining Talaingod.
Excited na ka la? Excited na ka?
Oh.
Sagit na punta ron. Excited na kasi mga ate wak?
Oh, excited na kay klaro na, madawag na.
ikaw sang gwapa. Kita na pugkati ko ni ron nga gwapa ron.
Gani na gwapa kay sa katanan-tanan gwapa kayo. Kuy mo pagpadang murag madam gud pagpay-pay. Kabot dariha. Natural pag nanahalo naman.
Of course, with a special participation sa among gwapa kay na iyaan from Japan. Si Tita. Kasi Dale, si Madam. Gaya po Lola. Ready na ang batos. Gaya po ng artista, oy.
Bilak eh. Nagtao. Dili ilawa ang nya ni.
Ha? Video. Vlog.
Wala, ito si Gaga o si Kuan sa muro.
Pa man nagsugo, di namin dire. Kaya nag-una-una namin kay ang bangko, matidik ni kalingkod.
A few moments later.
This is Binibining Talaingod 2023. It's time to meet our lovely candidates. for this year's Binibining Talaingod 2023 Playsuit Competition. surprising number it was. Nakita nyo na itong ilahang kaaniya, ilang ka-elegant, no? And I know, the soonest time, hapit na yun, one of these ladies will bring home the crown and the title of Binibining Talaingod 2023. We are just a few moments away from knowing who will be the top 5 finalists to move on to the next round of the competition. So at this moment, we will be checking what lies between the ears of our candidates as they undergo the preliminary interview. Are you ready, Mackie?
I am Elmer. By the way, the Binibining shall be drawing strips of paper with a certain number. And right away, the corresponding hashtag word appears on the big screen, right? But before that, reminding the audience to please hold your applause or screams once the Binibinis are delivering their answers. Kabaludyo ko nga bulag, excited lang gini sila ba? No? So bulag ako ba nani gusto pa yun nila igawas ng ilang mga answers. Moving on to our next Binibini, we have Binibini 6. Of course, Binibini 6, good evening. How do you feel tonight?
I am blessed.
Blessed. Would you like to greet your supporters and your agency sponsor?
Hello to my supporters, family, and friends. Thank you.
So, ready naman tayo ka. So, please pick your number din ha sa ato ang native phone. Your hashtag is number 3.
Thank you for that wonderful question. Respect is an important of our community. So we need to move forward, give some respect of others, especially our parents. We should respect this because she gives our love and support whenever we're doing so. And give
Give respect. Open.
and give them love and respect for this. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Binibini 6. Tama.
Alam mo ba kung paano nagugusin? Naramdaman lang nila ng puso. Aking sinta, ikaw ang naparamdam nito. Kaya sabihin mo sa akin ang tinatakbo ng isip mo. Kung mahal mo na rin ba ako, isayaw mo ako sa gitna ng wala.
And Miss Teen Aesthetic goes to candidate number 6. Candidate number 6.
And our Casa de Oraya goes to Bini 10. Congratulations. Bini 10.
Next award is Rosalia's Choice Award. Binibining Rosalia's Choice Award shall receive a token, and this award shall be given by Dale Francis de la Cruz, the owner. And she herself, Madam Rosalia, will be handing in the token for the Rosalia's Choice Award. And the lucky Binibini is number 6. Number 6.
Beauty was captured through the lens. The Miss Photogenic is Binibining. Miss Photogenic, we have Binibining 10.
The lady whose performance charmed our judges and the audience. Best performer is candidate number or Binibini number 10.
Are now in our hands for our top 5 finalists for the Binibining Talaingod 2023. This is it. We are now going to reveal our top 5 finalists. Top 5 delegates who will have the final chance to wear the most coveted crown of Binibining Talaingod 2023.
Wow, I'm so much excited. I have here now the list of our 5 finalists. The first finalist is Binibining number. What number? Binibining number 9.
There you have it. Our second finalist, we have. Second finalist, we have Binibining. Binibining 10.
And for the third spot goes to Binibining 4.
Also, please claim your spot because you belong to our top 5 finalists. Binibining. We have Binibining 6.
And the last spot, you're still in the running for Binibining Talaingod 2023. Binibini number. What number? Binibini 7. Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen, the top 5 finalists of Binibining Talaingod 2023.
congratulations ladies for making it to the last round of the competition tonight. You know for the question?
Yes.
Okay. Here's your question. As a proud young citizen of our municipality, what descriptive word can you best associate Talaingod? Again, as a proud young citizen of our municipality, what descriptive word can you best associate Talaingod?
I believe that the infamous line, "Basta Talaingod Hawod," is what I would describe our municipality. Because there are not only one qualities that it possesses, but 3 qualities it possesses. The first one is our natural resources, such as abaca, that enhances various places in the Davao region. Not only that, but our fields, just like the Orias Peak Adventures Park and the Cliffs Cafe Resto Bar. The next one is the diverse talents and skills of our people. Just like Miss Leslie Decaro who won Binibining Davnor 2019 and she represented the municipality of Talaingod. Not only that, Our Lady Wakandas will represent the upcoming palarong pambansa. And lastly, our diverse culture that brings us together, unites us together as one. Thank you.
Question. As a proud young citizen of our municipality, what descriptive word can you best associate Talaingod? Again, as a proud young citizen of our municipality, what descriptive word can you best associate Talaingod?
I believe definitely beautiful because Talaingod has a lot of places we can visit and for 18 years of existence here in Talaingod, I have met people with manners and skillful. And that made me realize it's so wonderful to live here in Talaingod because despite all these negativities, people here covers all the whole and give everyone a greater felicity. And I believe that Talaingod is a wonderful place to live. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Binibini, number 10. Okay. Now here's your question. Here's the final question. As a proud young citizen of our municipality, what descriptive word can you best associate Talaingod? As a proud young citizen of our municipality, what descriptive word can you best associate Talaingod? Descriptive word.
Para sa kuha, ang may ganda mo diri sa Talaingod kay nindot kaayo ni nga lugar. First time pa lang nako sangka diri napil na nako ang love sa mga tao, labi na sa mga IP natong mga katutubo. Wala ka ay kanang murag mafeel nimo nga dili ka bumahi sa ilaha. Kag mafeel ko nimo nga kaning wala nila ginapafeel nga bago pa ka diri nga lugar. Tomorrow to, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Next candidate or Binibining 6.
Very beautiful. Would you like to greet your family members? No, kaya ako nabalitaan na one of your family members are also here. Bago lang siya naabot all the way from the land of the rising sun, Japan. We have Ma'am Bebeng. Welcome home po, Ma'am, and I'm glad that you are here supporting your pamangkin. Alright, so would you like to greet?
Thank you for supporting me, especially from my tita. I love you, tita.
Alright.
Yes. And as I learned from her biodata, she is one of the apostles of the famous Lola Wending.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Paano na papawalan natin siya?
Pagkawalan ka ba? And I'm sure kaya na ni mo.
Are you now ready? Candidate number 6 or Binibini 6? Here's your final question. As a proud young citizen of our municipality, what descriptive word can you best associate Talaingod? Again, as a proud young citizen of our municipality, what descriptive word can you best associate Talaingod?
For me, my contribution is my voice and my image. As an inspiration to young women, I will encourage them to be the best part of this life, to be the best part of this life, and to be confident of who they are. And Talaingod is the most famous and is the most beautiful community as I can see. We are rich in world-class fabrics and encourage young children to take this leadership. And I will always embody our very own slogan, Basta Talaingod Hawod.
Yes.
A question.
Okay. Ready now? Here's your final question. As a proud young citizen of our municipality, what descriptive word can you best associate Talaingod? As a proud young citizen of our municipality, what descriptive word can you best associate Talaingod?
Talaingod is a hood because, as we can see, there is a lot of people, also indigenous people, who is creative, talented, and anything. And as one of the Binibining here in Talaingod, I am proud to say that Talaingod is the most beautiful spot, and I thank you.
Thank you. We have Binibining Talaingod 2022. Miss Hyacinth Claire Barcelona Manlapas.
Winning and conquering another crown is an experience that both a challenge and transformed me. With all the storms of criticisms, I am here standing firmly, for I know that my crown was not won through silence. As this incredible journey comes to a close, I stand here with a heart overflowing with gratitude and joy. Today marks the end of a chapter, but it also signifies the beginning of new adventures and opportunities. First, I want to express my sincerest thanks to each and every one of you who has been a part of this imagine experience. Thank you to our beloved mayor and honorable Johnny A. Bayan for your tireless efforts for making me believe that I can ever thankful and cherish my experience. You have provided us a platform you can truly showcase your great talents, your legacy of service and leadership to continue to expand. To our admins of paper organizers, sponsors, and everyone involved in making this happen. Thank you for believing in us and giving us this incredible platform to showcase our talents and passions. To our choreographer, Kuya Gata, I really appreciate your hard work and patience this week. You have not only choreographed talents, but also using soul and emotional depth, helping us to tell a story of our lives. To my fellow queens, you have been nothing short of inspiring. Your dedication, determination, and hard work have made this journey even more memorable. We have grown together, supporting each other in times of triumph and comforting one another during moments of doubt. To my family and friends, your unwavering support has been my driving force. Your love and encouragement have given me the strength to face the challenges and pursue my dreams fearlessly. And as I bid farewell to this pageant, I carry with me the valuable lessons I've learned throughout this experience. I have come to realize that true beauty goes beyond the surface, that confidence arises from embracing our uniqueness, and that success is not just about winning, but leaving a positive impact on the lives of others. Let this moment be a reminder to everyone watching that we are all capable of achieving greatness. Let us continue to give one another and create a world where kindness, compassion, and empathy.
queens. We should all And now, picture muna, yeah, photo op. Yes, with our major sponsor.
There po, madam, we have here our official photographer from Studio 21. Daghang kayong salamat for gracing our competition tonight. Our fourth runner-up shall receive a sash, a cash prize, and to present the award, we have here our usher. Our fourth runner-up goes to Binibining. We have Binibining 6.
Hands up, then we gonna drop.
Binibining 6. To give the award once again, we have our usher, and the candidate shall receive a sash and a cash.
Alright, center po tayo. Please. Binibining 6, dito muna sa center stage. Ayan. Dito muna for our photo opportunity. Picture. Alright, dito tayo again, sa gitna, Binibining 6. Okay, ako na lang mag... Congratulations, Binibining 6.
Next,
Ladies and gentlemen, so the name or the number that we will be calling will be our
Binibining Talaingod 2023. Ladies and gentlemen, Binibining Talaingod 2023 is Binibining Binibining 9.
First runner-up is Binibining number 10.
Binibining number 10.
And to give the award for our Binibining Talaingod first runner-up, we have Ma'am Desiree J. Ricafante together with our first runner.
Up the rating,
Yes,
please.
the very first runner-up of Binibining Talaingod 2022, we have Princess Nera Rosas.
And of course, the first runner-up shall receive a sash, cash prize, trophy, and a crown. 9!
Our Binibining Talaingod 2022 shall receive a sash, cash prize, trophy, and a crown. And to present the award, we have here our honorable mayor, we have honorable for Julie A. Bayaw, our municipal administrator, serving for Julie Bayaw, and of course, our judge number 5, our chairperson of the board, we have Attorney James M. Yulo, LPTMIH, and our Binibining Talaingod 2022 new ex-Dummies Hyacinth Claire Barcelona.
The new Binibining Talaingod 2023, representing the Barangay Council of Santo Niño, and a back-to-back.
Congratulations once again, Binibinis. God bless the Municipality of Talaingod. And once again, happy 32nd araw ng Talaingod. Padayon sa Maglako. We hope to see you again next year for another edition of Binibining Talaingod.
Good night, everyone, and God bless us all. Congratulations to all of you.
Yay, fourth runner up. La, sa mong mastorya ka kwin nila.
Ha?
Sa mastorya ka kwin eh.
Ah, mas pinit.
Dapat.
Kananaan na malagi.
O gani.